we'll guide you through how to use Blender for green screen effects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you're in the compositing workspace from the top menu. You'll want to enable Use Nodes and Backdrop by checking the boxes in the compositor window. Next, delete the default render layer node if it's there, as we won't need it for this setup. Go ahead and add an image node. You can do this by pressing Shift+A, navigating to Input, and then selecting Image. Import your green screen footage by clicking Open within the image node. Once your footage is loaded, add a chroma key node by pressing Shift+A, going to Matte, and choosing Chroma Key. Connect the image node to the chroma key node. The chroma key node will automatically detect the green background, but you might need to adjust the key color slightly for better precision. You can do this by clicking the color box in the chroma key node and using the color picker to select the green color from your video. Now, connect the chroma key node to a viewer node to see the changes in the backdrop. This allows you to preview your keying effect in real time. You can tweak the sliders in the chroma key node to refine the mask, ensuring the green screen is completely transparent while preserving the subject. When you're satisfied with the keying, add a mix node from Shift+A, Color, and Mix. Connect the output of the chroma key node to the first input of the mix node and your background image or video to the second input. This effectively layers your subject over the new background. Finally, link the mix node to the composite node to finalize the effect. You can now render your scene by going to the Render tab and clicking Render Animation. With these steps, you should have a clean green screen effect ready to use in your projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.